What's up, beautiful people? It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and I am back again for yet another video. And in this video, we will be growing. Okay, now what I'm excited about is we have these tomato plants, which I did a video on Monday, and propagating these bad boys. And it's time to plant these, plant some garlic, plant some things in the raised bed and the grow bags. And I do have some important news for all my grow bag buyers, okay? So make sure you stay tuned for that information. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get to it. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and I hope you all have been having a wonderful year thus far. It is the year 2022, if you didn't know already. Happy New Year to you. I don't know where you've been, but now you're here, so hey, Happy New Year's to you. But anyway, what we're going to be doing is, like I said, we have some garlic over there. I have a lot of things that have been growing, and now it's time to plant them in a new year, okay? I'm going to be doing some things in the raised bed, in the grow bag, and I'm even I'm talking and thinking as I'm talking, because I'm even trying to figure out how I want to orientate everything. So stay tuned, check in. If you have any questions, definitely let me know in the comment sections. I'll be sure to talk as I grow. And with that being said, hey, if you're new to the channel, it's your boy Ricky Jones. I thank you and appreciate you for being here. Go ahead and subscribe. But if not now, I'm sure I'll say something in between this time and then when you will, okay? So I appreciate you. But nonetheless, raised bed first. I apologize. The first thing that I'm gonna go ahead and do is plant these tomato plant seedlings into the soil itself. I'm not gonna put them in any particular bed or anything right now, honestly, because I don't know how I want to grow these bad boys, but I do want them to continue their growing process. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put them in this little grow pot here until I decide how I want to do it, or really how I want to even gift it. I may even give it to some of my fellow growers here in the Tampa Bay area. If you are growing in the Tampa Bay area and you do want some tomato seedlings, definitely let me know. It's either a Roma variety or a black Corinne variety, which even now trying to put all of these roots in the whole situation, which I don't know if you saw the video, but I did 2 different methods of growing, which I'm going to add some more cocoa coir to this here mixture. And yeah, so let's go ahead out to the raised bed from here. Alright, great people, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these grow bags going. Actually, if you are in the Tampa Bay area and would like your own grow bag, this one may be the one that you receive. I'm gonna go ahead and get this bad boy started, both of these bad boys started and going, just so when I get that call, we are ready. I'm gonna let these continue to grow, do what they do. But until then, what we're gonna go ahead and do is put the beans in the soil itself, which again is a soil that I have mixed together myself, which I am highly proud of. It has been doing a very wonderful with the other grow bags that I have done, as well as those that I have sold as well. I am also excited about the progress that the soil has made for the plants, but then also too how it's been doing. It's really been doing well. And so I've started some garlic in these little situations, which you can kind of get these from the Home Depot if you buy some plants. But it's cool, the garlic has even started to come out in the bottom, which is very, very interesting. But obviously it's time to plant, and that is what we are going to do, which we know garlic is a great companion plant for your brassica family, as it ward off the pests and things like that. So I'm going to put 3 of these bad boys in here, but this turned out wonderfully well. This is my first time attempting to grow them like this first before actually planting them. And hey, I actually like it. I honestly will say I actually like how that turned out. Let me get some more beans for this one, and then we'll go ahead and plant it. Put this bad boy in, and like I said, for those who have purchased or who look to purchase a grow bag with Gardening With Me, which happens to be the gardening company that my wife and I have started, what we'll look to do is on Instagram, we're going to set up a close friends situation where you'll be able to have access to me and the different tips and things that I put out there for you all because I do know a lot of people who have been getting these grow bags are first-time gardeners, new to the game, and so I want to make sure that you have every comfort there in your growing process, and you know, making sure that you're not left in the dark, in the blind, or in the unknown. That is not the goal. Obviously, that's not what I'm about, as we have this whole gardening channel, but to further solidify that claim and make that real and practical, we'll do that for you all. So again, if you buy a grow bag with Garden With Me, we'll have a particular close friends situation on Instagram. All you just do is message me, and I'll get you in there. For my Atlanta crew, my Tampa crew, and people beyond, I'll go ahead and get you in. In this raised bed, we are going, or excuse me, in this grow bag, we are gonna grow some spinach. And with spinach, you can grow upwards of like 9 different spinach plants in one area, like so. So I'm gonna try to maximize that space with that information, in which again, all of these have been grown inside, which I'm excited about bringing these bad boys out. All right, so with this little handy dandy tool, ideally I should be able to scoop it out. Obviously, you all haven't seen me use it quite often, which is why even in this video I didn't think about it, but nonetheless, we are here. So obviously I've already like loosened up the soil situation itself, which makes the plant come out that much more easier. And I've already pulled out quite a bit, so let me so let's see what we have in here, which I'm gonna just go for it. This is the center, and we'll plant from there, which like I said, I can go like crazy with the amount I actually plant of the spinach, which I may even come back in here and fill in some beans, knowing that beans grow well with your greens, adding nitrogen to the soil itself, which is why usually you see me planting beans with the kale or the collard greens. The perfect accessory. And the beauty of planting so many, it's okay if some don't make it, because it is colder outside than it is inside, which is why I do bring them out for some time first before planting them in their home, respective home. I had these out for probably about a week, just outside, getting the sunlight, fresh air, and all that good stuff, get them acquainted with what's to come. And so boom, spinach. And last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, we have some baby itty bitty small teeny weeny collard plants, which I'm gonna go ahead and bring them out because I feel like they are ready for growing. And they're gonna go in this section here, which happens to be like right outside of my bedroom window, which is gonna be a beautiful sight to behold as they grow, mature, develop, all those things in between. And so let me just pull these bad boys out. And so 4, yep, one can go over there too, which I'll probably put these back under the sunlight, grow light I should say. These are going in the sunlight now. However, I'll put the other ones under the grow light again, just to see, you know, how they do, how they grow. But nonetheless, the goal is to be able to, as I sell different grow bags and things like that, be able to provide fresh, organic seedlings to go along with the grow bag. And so you all are getting to be along the journey with me as I try things, grow things, learn things, explore in things, and do things in this garden journey. All right, so we're gonna put one of these bad boys here, making sure the soil is nice and compacted around the seedling root ball situation system. Definitely want that to be the case. It's this new home, so you want to make sure everything is nice and snuggy. Just like when you get into bed at night, you want to make sure the cover is nice and comfortable around you. Well, treat your plants the same way, and they'll pay you back exponentially in good health and good times and excitement. All right, so we have 4 of these collard plants planted. And lastly, we're going to seal the deal with a nice water around the root area of the new plant so that we can have it nice and acclimated to what's going on. And of course, this is from my rainwater harvesting system, which I haven't figured out how to pump it through the pipes yet, so that's why I'm hand watering it for now. But do know My mind has been thinking, racing, and trying to figure out how to do it, how it can be accomplished, and of course it's gonna be a video because I want to make sure we all are aware of the tactic, the ways, and the idea. Alrighty, great people, and just like that, we are complete. And so, as you already know, like 2022 is gonna be an explosive year. I'm saying it, I believe it, I am sharing it with you all. And just even this week, like right, Monday we were propagating tomatoes, cloning tomatoes. On Wednesday we had our first harvest of 2022, and today we have our first planting of 2022. Oh my goodness, we are not going to stop. It's going to be so many fun, exciting videos that we do and share with you all. So make sure you tune in, subscribe, click the bell notification if you haven't already done so. If not, I don't know, maybe the next video. But whatever video it's gonna take, I'm gonna be here. We are gonna be here every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 10:30 a.m. You can find a video. All right, so with that being said, I love you all, I appreciate you all. Make sure you like and tune in, and yeah, let's go, let's do it. 2022, let's have fun. All right, peace.